Hello, this is Dr. Vicki. Welcome to Mastery. This is Wednesday of your first week. To make sure everyone gets off on the same foot from the same place in the starting line, I want to go over a few things that I've had some questions about. When you open your course, this is what you see. These are called modules. Right here is Mastery. Start here for success. When you click on that, and I suggest you do, it will open up and it gives you a welcome. There's a lot of information in the welcome. The professionalism standards, which you are graded on, that's 10% of the total grade of your course, and resources for graduate level writing. Please look at those. Every assignment requires APA level formatting, so please look at that. Now let's go back to the preview again. This is the live trainings where you can either register to go to the live training or watch the archived versions. Either is okay. They're not mandatory. Week 2 is coming up, week 3, and down here are the archives. Right here, I just posted week 1 go-to training that was yesterday from Dr. Carrie Whaley. It's 33 minutes and 55 seconds. It's posted right there. And there's the archives from the previous weeks. So if you're not able to attend, that is fine. They'll be right there for you. Now on week 1, every week is set up similar. Right here's week 1. There's a lesson module. There's a discussion activity, and then there's assignments. When you click on the lesson, it goes over the overview and objectives, what you will be learning, the textbook, what you will be reading. This is from Robert Greene's Mastery, Strategies for Finding Your Life's Task textbook. And these are the required learning activities. You have a discussion on grit. The initial post is due tonight, Wednesday. The response post is due Sunday. The week 1 assignment, which is creating a turning point video, is also due Sunday. Every time you read one of these, click that you have completed it. That lets us know that you are participating. Now when you click on the discussion, I've had people ask me, where is the discussion? It's under the module that says discussion activity, grit, for this week. You will watch this 6-minute and 9-second video by Angela Lee Duckworth on the power of passion and perseverance as a definition of grit. You will watch that, and on your initial post, which is due tonight before 11 p.m., you will answer these questions in an APA formatted paper. And then you will copy the content of the paper, not the cover sheet, into the actual post. You will introduce yourself. You will reflect upon your results from the grit and ambition scales, the assessments that you will be taking. You will determine and describe 3 strongest and weakest areas. For your strengths, you're going to reflect on why they are high, and for your weaknesses, how you can develop those areas. Now, every one of these have to be developed and fleshed out in your paper. You will cite 3 concepts from the Mastery reading from the textbook and explain why you chose those concepts. Cite, use APA formatting in text citations. Okay? You will attach your APA formatted written paper. This is how you will title the paper, last name, first name, and assignment, and then copy the content and paste it directly into the discussion. On your response post, you will select one of your classmates. You will respond to their post using the RISE model. Under headings, reflect, inquire, suggest, and elevate, you will respond answering these questions under these headings. And provide at least one link to an article, video, or other resources that can help or provide inspiration on their mastery journey. Again, the APA formatted paper is to be attached and then copied and pasted directly into the discussion. There's the grading rubric. Here's your downloads, the week 1 discussion. There's the grit scale that you want to take, the ambition scale, and here's an APA formatted template. This week 1 discussion right here, this is an example of an exemplary previously posted week 1 discussion so that you can see what they look like. And when you see down here where it says completion, your post, that's you, the student. This is where you will paste the content of the paper that you wrote, and you will hit post. And then when you go to do your response, you will read one of your classmates' posts and click on reply. The assignment for this week is a turning point video. All students will be creating a video. Here's an example of a turning point video, 5 minutes and 20 seconds. So you can watch that. You're to create a 3 to 5 minute recorded presentation following the criteria: an introduction, who you desire to become on your journey. Reflect upon at least one insight you gain from each of the 5 strategies in the readings. Avoid defining the strategies. Reflect on why you picked them and what they mean to you. Expand on one of them and provide a turning point story from your own life that helped you begin to identify your life's task. Then describe your dream career path that you deeply desire and share 2 personal goals that you can achieve in the next 3 weeks that will jumpstart your journey. Create a written narration on a Word document to use when you're recording the video. Attach the written narration. Now, when you're recording the video, look at the camera, not at your paper. So you can put your notes behind the camera on your laptop so that it looks like you're looking at them. But look at the camera because you need to actually be visible in at least part of your video. The criteria: you should appear in the video. You can use graphics, photos, but use minimal text. Upload the final presentation to Vimeo or YouTube, and then give us the link. Attach the link in here. Okay. Here's some recording tips for success, and here's the grading rubric. So this should answer what's required for week 1 and where everything can be found. Again, the initial discussion is due tonight on Wednesday by 11:59. No excuses. This is Dr. Vicki. Let's go.